Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn how to add an Excel file into our PowerPoint slides. First, make sure you save the Excel file you want to add in your PC. Then, open your presentation slide that you wanted to add your Excel file. To start adding the Excel file, go to Insert tab on top. Then, click on Object. A new window will pop up. Since you already got the Excel file on your PC, choose Create from File option. Then, click on Browse to pick the Excel file from your PC. Once your chosen Excel file name appeared there, remember to check the link option. This will link the Excel file on your PC to be linked with this presentation slide. Any changes you made in the Excel file will be automatically updated here in the slides too. After that, also remember to check the Display as Icon option to see your Excel file on your slides. You can also change how your Excel file should be seen on your slides by choosing different icons. And, finally click OK. Now, you can see your desired Excel file on your slides. You can click on the icon to open the Excel file during your presentation also. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos. Till then, see you.